and Shay, we are going to see a statue of Watcher, and that the Watcher, the Periscope man, which was created by an artist from Poznań. I believe so. His name is Noriaki. So this particular statue of Periscope man, the Watcher, it's a selfie statue. When you photograph yourself, no, when you photograph the statue, the mirrors in the statue reflect your image. So it's a selfie statue, you say? You can say that. Okay, check this one out.
We're in the bike lane.
Oh shit, okay. Yeah. There he is. The Periscope. Hi. All right. There you go, the Periscope man. Cool, yeah?